what you saw behind me over there is a shredding of the squid. So it's a snowstorm today and we have to cancel all our plans and make some new ones on the go. But I have a feeling that it's going to be epic. Let's go. So we reached Kishibiki Hachimangu shrine and it's completely white, blown out. All the reds are blown out with white and it's like looking gorgeous and amazing. But the struggle to come over here is really intense because you got to wait almost 40 minutes to reach this through the bus. It's difficult, trust me, and the snow makes it really difficult, really everything difficult. It might be good looking, but it is very difficult. Right now, back in the taxi, we are headed towards our next destination. The shrine was out of the world. The red of the Tori gates and the whites of the snows were just brilliantly complementing each other, and red and white combination is something that I absolutely love, especially the natural things. Amazingly awesome. And looking at the snow, it was just unbelievable that it was just one day's worth of snow that had accumulated so much, and it was giving a beautiful texture and layer to the shrine. Amazingly awesome. Now yeah, one more thing, it was really cold out there, and but the beauty of the shrine and the views really made up for all the effort that we took. Really good one. Yeah, and I'm expecting something good to happen at the next destination as well. Hopefully it turns out good, and yeah, let's check out.
56年はこんな降ったことない。
6年ぐらい降ったことがないですか、
うん
こんな感じの雪は。
こんな感じ来たことない。
おお、
うん
は6年後ファストタイムですか。
そうだから
す
今日
ごい。
びっくりっていうのかな、朝びっくりって
そうですね。昨日夜から今日朝までの雪降ってこうなったんですか。
そうです。
昨日は絶対ゼロ。
絶対ゼロ。
おお、すごい。
昨日はゼロ。
We are at Hasaku Food Center.
Yeah, it's a huge food market. You can check out the line of restaurants behind me. Ganesh badly wants to try out the local food.
Yeah.
So let's go and check out the restaurant.
This is the kind of place that I'd like to visit after that cold, chilly visit to the shrine. Yeah, let's check out the food market and see what we can get to eat. Come along with me. Right now we are entering the seafood section. I could see some exotic seafood in over here. Come, let's check out.
これは毛ガニ、そしてこれはイカです。はい、はい、
これは何ですか。
これは
はい。
ホッキ貝、
ホッキ貝。
貝ね。
はい。
はい、
ありがとうございます。
はい、
これエビ。
エビです。
エビですよね。
はい、
わかりました。ありがとうございました。
はい、
失礼、ありがとうございました。
はい。
So what you saw behind me over there is a shredding of the squid. So that's how you shred a squid, and that's how you make the Japanese snack of shredded squid. Yeah, that's a small information for you.
日本酒でちょっと辛めなお酒、これがですね、
はい、
日本酒で
はい、
ちょっと辛めのお酒、
辛めのお酒、
はい
辛いですか。
辛いですよ。
辛いですよね。
でお刺身食べるときに
はい、
ぴったりなお酒、
お刺身ですか。
お刺身、
So
はい
this is 日本酒。
日本酒、
酒ですよね。酒。So it's a slightly what do you say bitter kind of a taste or dry, and it's best had with sashimi.
ベ
So
ス
yeah,
ベストマッチですか。
best
ベストマッチ、 はい、
best match with sashimi.
はい
Thank you. これ名前は
これですか。
あ
あ、西塚です。
西塚さん。
はい
Thank you. これの名前ですか。
これは直空です。直空。
チョク。
直
So the other product which we saw, the Nihonshu, is Choku's Nihonshu. これ青森の、
はい
青森です。
青森オンリーです。
So it is Awamori only. So, yeah, if you're coming to Awamori or Hachinohe, please do check out. And please do come to this stall as well. Thank you.
よろしくお願いします。
Hi, thank you very
おはようございま
much.
す。
Right now I'm going to try the Nihonshu Choku. So let's see how it tastes.
よいしょ。
ありがとうございま
はい、
した。
これです。
年末年始のご準備は発色センターにお任せください。発色恒例フレンチ市は12月
ビールドライ。
Little dry.
はい。
大晦日まで
ありがとうございます。
Little dry, really good. Please do taste it if you're coming over here. So I'm finally able to get off my cravings. Came in here to a ramen shop and having Hachinohe ramen. That's the purest local ramen that's available. Yeah, let's try out how it is and hopefully it is good because the chef told me that it's amazingly awesome. Just waiting for it. It's piping hot and absolutely brilliant. It's got a subtle taste of miso's flavor into it, and what do you say? It's beautiful. The broth is very light, and the ramen is very fluffy and light as well. Really good taste and really good food. I'm loving it. By the way, it's also got some subtle taste of onion into it because there's spring onion strands that have been put in over here. Really good. It gives a different kick whenever you get to experience that spring onion. Nice touch. The sun is set, neon lights are up, the city is glowing with white snow and the bright lights. But it is with the heavy heart that we'll have to leave this city of Hachinohe and its snow and the excitement that this city had to offer. Yeah, that is it for today. I'll take your leave and I'll see you in the next vlog.
If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and thank you.
Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe.